Check it out, man. Punchline and SCUMDOG. What's up, dude? We're all in matching SCUMDOG fishing t-shirts made by none other than the Scum Master.
Well, hello, everybody. Your bowhead brother, Chester. We're here to catch some catfish. So let's go see what we can get.
So we're here at Skok Metro Park, trying to slay some kitty cats, the water variety, if you will.
Oh man!
Give you a little preview of, I guess, how they made the barn. Tools of the trade. Nice.
I'm so glad.
Look at that. I'm following the leader, the leader, the leader. I have no clue where the lake is at or where we'll go. But we'll be there.
I mean, we're about to carp bomb this motherfucker. Where are you gonna set up, Gus?
Wherever you guys aren't going to.
Get the fuck away from y'all.
Let's get some bluegills
Where we're
going if we can. I think I'm gonna set up on this corner.
I think there's another pocket right around the corner, and then if we go around, there's another pocket right there.
Actually, I might go up there. Stake and claim here.
Okay, then I'll take over right here.
Right? I'm waiting for you.
I mean, if Chet's right there, you're right there. I'm about to do right here. Here we go.
Ooh, the wormy, man. Wormy, dude. Trying to get some bluegill caught for cut bait is what we're doing. To go for the big cats that are in here.
So as you heard, cats are on the menu today. So, got a 1 ounce sinker on here. Size 4 circle C hook. I'm gonna use some wormy dudes. Chet is working on cut bait, some bluegill. So I'm gonna try and use the night crawlers that I got left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leave it alone. Yeah, he's got maggot down there if you're trying to go for some bluegill. If you don't want to use the worm. Yeah, I'm about to use me some wormy dude. Some wormy dude. Always look professional. Got me a bass. What? Got me a bass. Texas red. Sugar out, fellas. Alright. Starting the day off right. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Starting it off wrong. Starting it off wrong. Alright. Back to right. Derail. Never fails. First one of the day, though. Let's see what we can do. Well, wormy dude is definitely not doing it. Pete's already had pretty nice hits with the strawberry chicken, so this young lad. Yum yum. Either.
Few minutes later.
We officially switched over to strawberry chicken, aka you've been hit too much because you don't want to smell it. Blech. Blech.
If you're gonna spew into this.
That's what he said, right, guys? Because of gay.
Oh, he got something. Oh.
Get this other rod out of my way, guys.
Cat. You got a twofer. He can't because he's got.
I'm all up in.
Is this over top? Okay.
Appreciate it.
I'm gonna set this right here for you. You recording? Holy shit, look at that. Nice.
Might need someone to net.
Gotcha. Coming over, I'm recording this too.
Let me get on this side of you so I
Go ahead.
I'm in the camera.
No, he broke off because of this pole.
No!
This thing's a tank.
Look at that fucking
This
beast.
thing is a tank.
Dude, that might be a pinfish.
Get him.
I can't get close enough.
Sorry.
You're all good. You're good. It's what it is.
that net, man. He's like, screw that shit.
Dude.
What do you got?
Look at that.
Whoa, nice fish, cuz. Yeah.
Getting you up close and dirty.
Had a massive bass and it cut off. Dude.
Was that on worm? Or
It's out of the way. He's got it. It's
I
out
just
of the
don't
way.
want it getting in his foot.
It's a, oh, he's good.
All right, here we go, Scotty. Here we go.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Pinfish. Yes.
oh my god.
Oh my God.
Dude.
Nice fish, cuz.
Look at that freaking monster. We got anything to measure him with?
Oh yeah. Yeah, let me get the pliers on him real quick here.
Yeah. What's that weigh?
Nice fish, cuz. Get him up there. Hold on. He's alright. He's okay. Nice fish, cuz.
Oh yeah. It's looking like 29. 29.
Yeah, 29 right there.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead and get him on the scale there, cuz. What do you got on that? Let me see that scale. What do you got on that? 12 pounds. We're calling that 12 pounds.
Let's go turn him loose. All right, buddy. We'll get you back.
12. 29 inches.
Well, that was the strawberry chicken. I think we're just gonna say the hell with the bluegill cut bait and just go all out chicken. Yeah, on micro mic, and I think I might be screwed. Oh jeez. Come on, don't swing into that shit. There we go. Get out there. Micro mic. The mini him. Kitty like chicken. Now this one's not as big, but I'll take it. Right? Yeah. Dad. Oh, you bastard just threw my chicken.
Cuz got another kitty cat. Not nearly as big. Good job, cuz.
Thank you.
I'm gonna not leave my stuff unattended.
Nope.
No, I would go attend it. Second kitty on the Jello chicken. That's a nice one. He's not as big as the first one, but I'll take it. That's a dandy cat right there, bud. Dandy cat. Not a graceful release, but that's okay. GoPro, start recording.
Oh, he's, look at him, look at this professional. Double fisting his rod here. That's a decent sized cat too. I think I'm gonna toss one over here.
Mm-hmm. Come here, kitty. Nice kitty. Well, there's the third kitty. All right. Third kitty. Strawberry chicken kitty.
And now it's time for a fishy update with Derail.
Fishy fish update. Still at one bass. No cats. Me and Pete have both had decent sized hits with 0 luck on reeling the bastard in. We're definitely seeing a little bit of action. Hopefully, this little luck, we can turn it around. Chet's on like cat number 3 or 4 or 15 or 25, something around there. Just a lot.
And that was a fishy fish update with Derail. Now back to Pete in the field with a catfish.
Oh, he's under that one too. He's coming this way.
That's why nothing's fighting on that one.
Chet just gave me his fish.
Get it. Get it. Work it. Work that micro mic.
Yeah, he's working it too.
Work the micro mic.
Oh, he's mad.
If you need the net, we can net him. And there's somebody probably happy right now. Hey, is there a smile on that?
I mean, you might have given me a good fish, but I mean, I don't know though. It is the micro mic, so.
I think there's a smile on his face.
Yeah, the micro mic.
Oh,
Mini
that's
pin.
a good cat. Let him roam.
Do as a Roman?
I'm gonna do me a couple Romans, but if it means I get a cat. That's awesome.
Oh, yes, sir. That's an angry one.
He's coming in now.
He might have another good
He's gonna get another kick. He's gonna get another kick.
As soon as he sees us, for sure. Kind of wish I had an underwater shot, but both of us have medium odds on.
Oh, yeah, that's a good cat.
You got Purdy, boy. You got Purdy.
He's taking it too. Yeah, cuz. I hope I land him. Oh man, stay away from them sticks, bub.
Yeah, you'll get him. That's heavy gear on that.
Yeah, it's heavy gear. I know, and he just keeps running.
It's actually, way too heavy for what it is, especially that reel.
But he's working the drag on it.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's awesome. You want the net job on him?
Yeah, let's net him. Come on, kitty kitty. There he is.
He's angry. He's angry. A happy cuz.
Hell yeah, I'm happy.
Got you one. Nice, bro.
Oh, look at that, right in the corner.
Can I get a tape on him? I just want to know if he's in.
Yeah, we'll get that.
Whoop, whoop.
You just want a length on him?
Yeah, I don't need a weight. I just want length. Get him on the nose there. I'm on now.
26.
26. I don't know if that's a pinfish, but if it is, I'm claiming it. Whoop, whoop.
Pinfish or not, that's nice. Hell yeah. He's a little gravelly.
Yeah. Did I wipe him off a little bit? Oh. Yeah, he's alright. He's dirty. I'm putting him back.
He's a dirty old cat anyway.
I'm trying to put him back nice.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, cuz.
Bump it. Looking professional. Thanks, cuz.
Yep, you're welcome.
Let me land that fish.
Definitely our final attempts for the day. Pete and Chet got themselves quite a few nice sized kitty cats. You're cute, cute, cutie. Ain't nothing been hitting. Now, as you might be able to see in the sky, it's definitely starting to come down a little bit. Just sprinkles, nothing to worry about, but I'm hoping this changes the bite. Well, Chet just headed back home. He got in a good haul today, so I don't really blame him. Me and Pete finishing up the last of what we can today. Hopefully these last few minutes will serve us good, but Skok State Park, pretty decent sized place and pretty nice. I mean, obviously there's bass, decent sized catfish, and some bluegill for some cut bait, which didn't really work out too well. I'm surprised. It was the strawberry chicken that really was the star of the day today. Till next time, see you out there. Punchline Sinker signing off saying, look professional, bros.
Dude, we had a great time. I wish we would have gotten here earlier. Chet caught a pinfish for sure, bro. You had a nice bass. I had a cat, luckily.
You had a nice bass.
Oh, I know. Yeah, that bass is cool. Unfortunately, he was too smart for me, I guess, because he went around a metal pole that was in the water and chafed my line till it broke.